जैसा कि लैपटॉप में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है, बैटरी पावर बैटरी गेटिंग डाउन frequently. What is the reason why battery getting down? This is due to this is containing 6 pencil cell, but this is normal pencil cell. It is different from normal pencil cell. You can check by opening this. Firstly, we for opening this battery, we should insert inside with side a sharp knife or other things. Anyway, you can clear this side by dragging some sharp things. Then open it. After opening this, you can see this. Here is 6 batteries. Here is connected by some glue on this circuit. Now can you separate one by one and check the rating? You can see there is one or two battery as getting low voltage. Due to this, your whole battery is not getting full backup for laptop. So you can make a like a new battery. You should purchase this type battery and replace with unserviceable battery. Again reassemble this battery in this case and use a laptop like a new battery bank for laptop. So you can understand very well how can make serviceable laptop battery by using same case and some same battery by putting some one or two batteries in this case. Now you can understand the problem of battery backup of laptop. Okay, thank you for watching the video.